Okay, I have these Beggin Strips. I poured them out in this bag. They're supposed to expire May of 2023. And when I opened the bag back up, it was sealed. It looked like a bunch of sawdust. So I poured it out in this bag and I was trying to find, I thought there was some kind of bugs or something in it. It looks like it's moving, but I cannot see anything. It has to be mites or something. But look at that. It's like the whole bag is just moving. It's the weirdest thing. And I zoomed in, you can't really see any bugs, but they're obviously there. So watch what you're giving your pets to eat for snacks, because this bag is not that old. And I got it from Sam's Club. And this is really gross. Ew, it's going in the trash.